Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on the close holes in the edge actions of ZModeler and ZBrush. Right now I've made two holes by deleting polygons here. I would like to pick the ZModeler by pressing B, Z and M, or I can click the brush palette and then choose a ZModeler from the brushes here. Once you have picked that, hover the cursor on the edge and hit spacebar to choose the close feature in the edge actions. So we have two types of targets. One is concave hole and another one is the convex hole. So let me select the concave hole. Just click and you should be able to see the hole is filled with a triangulated mesh. Now I'll be selecting the other type of target, which is the convex hole. And if you could see, there are a lot of options opened up for this particular target. So the first one is the spline circle. This is an interpolation that's can be seen in a lot of other tools. And we have also some modifiers. So let's explore all of them. So first let's click that convex hole and then you get this result. Okay, this result is because we just clicked it and then default it has to give something. And if I just click and slightly drag it, it just puts up a hole where all the points are, pushed or pulled towards the center. So we have different types of interpolations for the shape what we are getting here. So the default one is the spline, where I need to just click that edge, drag vertically to add loops, okay, and then drag horizontally to increase the height, and then you get this kind of tapered extrusion, a thorn-like feature. Now let me just change this to the circle. Again, just click, drag vertical and drag horizontal. Then the interpolation of this is more circular. You could clearly have a look on this when you choose the tight round corner. Just click and drag, okay, and then you should be able to see it's more tight and round. So we have all the way from roundness to the hard corner here. You could choose as you gradually go that way, it becomes more hard and hard or boxed shaped. So I'll leave this back to the spline. Then we have converge to center, which is basically where the points you should be able to see here. It's giving up that default extrusion. Then you should be able to see the convergence point is in the middle. All the points came to the one center. Now and then choose the converge to edge. Any edge which I select, all the points will meet at that point. Okay. And if I just choose converge to the point, to the selected edge, one vertex will be picked as the converged point. Okay, earlier it was converging to the middle of the edge, but this time it is converging into a vertex point. So wherever you click, it's going to converge to that particular point there. So we have interactive curvature, which is nothing but when I just click and drag vertically, you're interactively adding the resolution or the loops. And when I drag horizontally, you are interactively getting the curvature height. So this interaction, what you're getting can be kept it to optimal, where I can just click and then just drag it, and I don't increase the height of this curvature because curvature is set to optimal and there is no control on your side. It takes an optimal height there. Then we have the curvature with a value of 100, and that gives a size with that particular value. When I increase that, and you should be able to see the height is now bigger because I've increased the value there. As you keep increasing this, you should be able to see it's going to add more height to this. So this is what the value of the curvature is. So we have interactive resolution, which we have seen. Optimal resolution is basically when I'm dragging it, the resolution of the extrusion is automatically decided by the amount of curvature what we have got. You can also set the resolution to 8 and it stays to 8, and you can also change that to any number by just moving the slider here. So we have a no twist feature here by default, but if I choose to pick 360-degree twist, when I'm dragging it, you should be able to see the extrusion what we are getting is a twisted one. So the total twist value is 360. However, you can choose a value of 180 just by typing here and picking this feature. Just click that and then you get only 180-degree twist there. Then we got polygroup columns, rows and flat, which is going to give me the polygroups you could able to see here. Then we got polygroup rows, and then you should be able to see these are now polygroup rows. And also we got polygroup flat, which gives me a single polygroup for the result. So these all features we have here. And if you got any questions related to this, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.